Hey guys, Westford Concepts. Today I got a quick tech tip for you here on checking your ride height and ensuring that you get even settings on your shock collar position from left to right and from forward to back. Let's go. Alright guys, today I'm going to show you a little tech tip on what I do to ensure that I get even ride height settings left to right on my shocks. And this applies to any 10 scale or 8 scale off-road or I guess on-road kit as well. As you can see on my Mugen MSB1 here, I have little marks here ground out on the shock collars, and that just helps me with my settings, so then I know that I'm getting the same amount of preload on my shock springs. So I have brand new shocks here on my Team Associated RC10 re-release kit, so what we're going to do is mark these shock positions. So first thing I do is just take a screwdriver, any screwdriver, just enough to where you can kind of score the anodizing and you know like what the 0 point is in the shock. So what I'll do is screw the collar all the way up to the cap as far as it goes, and then line it up with a bleeder hole here and just score it. So I've got it kind of scored there. Alright, so I know I got the 0 points marked. So now what I'll do is screw it down about 5 times just to kind of get it away from the edge of the shock cap and the shock body. So I got it in a good position right about there. Alright, so next step, I'll just take my Dremel, and this is just with a small cutoff wheel on here. Get a lot of RPM there. What I'll do is just hold the shock. There you go. Perfect. And it's as simple as that. So then I'll just take them, run them back up. You can see it, they line up perfectly there. So now I know when I screw these shock collars down left and right, let's say I want to go 4 or 5 turns, I can do the exact same amount both ways, and I don't have to measure them with a micrometer. Alright, that's it for today guys. Hope this tech tip helps you out, and I'll see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.